I bought this on launch day, I swear, but 2 weeks ago I got the Mocha and Milk bundle from Build-A-Bear and it has finally arrived, so I thought I would show you the unboxing. I don't know where it got lost through, but let's do a Build-A-Bear Sanrio Mocha and Milk unboxing. Could have gotten this at work, but I try to stay away from Build-A-Bear, to be honest with you. Look at her, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is the first time I've gotten the sidekick. Typically, I skip it and I say, oh, I'm gonna get it next time, and I don't. Oh my gosh, gorgeous, stunning, perfection. It got lost in shipping for a while and it took forever. I've complained about Build-A-Bear shipping before and then it improved for a while, so this time around I was like, oh, I don't need express shipping, it's fine, I'll just wait for it to get here. It'll probably take 3 or 4 days. And here we are now on March 10th and I finally have it in my hands. This is Mocha, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, fantastic, just as soft and beautiful as Cinema Roll is in terms of the body proportions and stuff like that, because if you remember, if you're new to my channel, I've reviewed a bunch of Build-A-Bear plushies in the past. I used to be a really big fan of Build-A-Bear, not as much anymore. I mean, I'm still enjoying their Sanrio creations, but I did take a big pause on buying anything or supporting them, especially at my job. But something that I hated about the My Melodies and the Chromies was the way that their face was. I felt like that was really disproportionate. That is not an issue for Mocha. Mocha looks gorgeous, soft, beautiful. I love the subtle pink bows. I love everything. It's beautiful. And then we have Milk. Usually I don't get the sidekick right away, but I find that when I don't pick these up, I forget which ones I have, which ones I don't, and then I never end up picking them up. So when I saw the bundle, I was like, yes, please, let's get it. So Milk is $15. And I like the cute little pacifier, right? That's a pacifier. And then the little curly hair. It's adorable. It's the cutest thing. It's a nice little bundle. This bundle did also come with an outfit. I have yet to put it on Mocha just because I'm not the biggest fan of this particular outfit. When I was at work, the job that I'm trying to leave, I work by a Build-A-Bear, and this girl had Mocha with a pajama set, but I didn't have my glasses on. I can't wear them anymore. They're all scratched up. So I can't tell if that pajama set was Sanrio themed or if it was just one of the pajamas that Build-A-Bear sells, but it was a really good outfit. It looks so cute. Versus this dress, which is fine. It has Cinema Roll and some desserts and Mocha. It's very cute little halter dress, but the frilliness and stuff, sometimes I just prefer my Sanrio plushies to have nothing at all, or maybe just a basic little tee. But I'm gonna take a look at that website to see if I see the pajamas that I saw the girls Mocha have. I was gonna ask her about it, but then she turned the corner and left. But this is cute as well, so we'll just pop it on. It's velcroed at the top and at the bottom, and this is $13.50. It's the Mocha dress. Okay, so there it is with the frilly dress. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's actually kind of cute. I do like it. Here's the back. Here's the front. Okay, there we go. It's actually kind of cute, right? It's not bad. I like it. It can stay on for right now. But yeah, I love, 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 love what Sanrio has been doing with, not Sanrio, Build-A-Bear. Well, what Build-A-Bear and Sanrio have been doing with expanding the line. I think we've come a long way. I'm still missing quite a few. So I'm going to pop the ones that I'm missing on the screen here. Not including the seasonal ones, all the Valentine's Day ones, all the Halloween ones, all the Christmas Sanrios, the My Melodies, the Chromies. I ended up saying, you know what, it is what it is. The only ones that I really regret not getting are the Halloween ones. I think the Halloween ones were just the cutest to me. Some of the Christmas ones are still available at my job, but like I said, I really don't want it. I don't want to spend that much money. Build-A-Bear is just so expensive nowadays, especially when you're ordering them online. If you're not waiting for the online exclusives to hit stores, it's a lot. So we could do a price breakdown. Why not? I haven't done one of these in a really long time. As always, I pay for these things with my own money, unfortunately. And honestly, I could have just gotten this again in my store and have gotten the discount, but I just didn't want to deal with it. So my subtotal was $64.50. That is because the Mocha bundle was $64.50. That included Milk. That included, obviously, Mocha the plush. Why does it say 2? Do you see that on that receipt? It says one of the, whatever, I don't know. It just says 2. It's confusing the heck out of me. It makes it seem like I ordered 2, but I'm sure that's just a glitch. Anyway, so that was the total. Subtotal was $64.50, and then shipping was $9.95. Taxes was $6.61. So that brought my total up to $81.06. Which is a lot. I try not to think about it, honestly. But my Build-A-Bear videos do well, so it's fine. And I really do still love Build-A-Bear. My own issues with it are personal. It has nothing to do with the actual brand itself. I do, like I said, I really enjoy how much this place has expanded and what they continue to do. And I honestly wish they would do the same with Animal Crossing. I feel like Animal Crossing has died down, the appeal of it and stuff, because New Horizons was just kind of abandoned. And you know, I mean, it is what it is, but I feel like Animal Crossing has so much potential for you to release so many more plushies. Like, there are so many characters that I feel like are underrepresented in the fandom, but we'll see. Anyway, that is it for my video. If you would like to see anything else, let me know. If you have requests, I would love to hear them down below, and I will see you very, very soon with another video. Until next time, bye.